Hey everyone, it's Laura, and today we're going to make giant paper bag snowflakes like the ones I have hanging in the children's room. You want to put your first bag on the table with the back, like the bottom flap, facing down. Put glue in a T shape, like a capital letter T, from the top of the bag down to the bottom of the bag. Do not glue the flaps down. You want to do this for 8 bags. Here you see the flap's not glued down, and if it will extend like accordion open, it means you've successfully glued them. So 8 bags, one on top of the other, exactly the same way. Pretty easy, not a hard one this time. They're deceptively hard looking, which is nice. I've seen people prop these up against walls, like in part of a Christmas decoration thing. I hung them from the ceiling. If you want to hang yours from the ceiling, just punch holes in the very tippy top of one of the points and thread some string through them. When you're ready to make some cuts, when you have the whole 8 bags glued together, you want to try and make them symmetrical. So what I did was cut the ends off on either side in like a triangle shape, and then I cut little triangles in the sides. You'll see. Use some sharp scissors. You don't need hot glue for this. You can use regular glue. You just need to give yourself time for it to dry. And the more symmetrical this is, the better it will be for you. Glue the opening side, not the flap sides. There we go. And when you're all done and you're ready to pop these open, you want to do another T shape like you've done this whole time on the side that does not have the flap, and then open all the bags up so that it forms its like circle shape, and glue it like that. And your cuts don't have to be perfect because you won't see them. They're not going to be too obvious when this thing is popped up if they're not exactly even. And really, that's all there is to it. So if you use different size bags, that's fun too. Different colors, have fun.